Good morning, y'all.
Good morning.
Let's see what they got in store for us. Only what I don't like is we got a 3 down that's in play. So that's like the only thing that I don't like. But we are holding above midnight open, so that is cool. So I'm gonna take things a little bit slow today. I want to see what the market develops to and what it wants to do. I'm looking at all the individual names. Everything pulled back. I don't know why, because we didn't even pull back that much for the market, for everything to really pull back the way it did. So that right there is interesting. Bitcoin's down like 4 grand. Okay. Pretty much looking for a one and done today. Get in, catch a move, get out, call it a day. Just because this market looks like we're going to be on some fuckery today. It does look like it wants upside, but it looks like we're going to get some fuckery to come with that. So it's going to be a little bit, I'm going to be very picky with taking a trade, especially since I'm on the funded accounts. I do want to try some longs. I'm going to try some longs. Give me a sec. We're above the opening range high. We're holding above midnight open, so it's had me tempted with trying longs. 30-minute 2 up is back into play. Be a little bit patient, but I am leaning for some longs. At least just to grab these highs up here and call it at. Yep, I'm gonna try some longs here. So I'm long at 68, 24.25. Stop loss is gonna be at 68.12. going to be trimming at 68.34. I know those SPY calls will be ripping too. Am I gonna have to scalp this? Don't tell me I'm gonna have to scalp this. Buyers are getting weak right now. We need them to stay in. So I want to get a trim here at 68.34 and then let runners ride, but that'll be like the trade for me today. We're at 32. $33. I want to trim. I'm going to trim half of my position at 34 if we can get there, but this market is just weird right now. There's 33. Oh, they're being nasty with it. That's nasty, honestly. They bought it right to 30, like near 34, and then they fucking pull it back. I'm trying to get my trims off and then just leave the runners to do its thing. That's literally all. Okay, there's 34. I'm gonna start trimming here. All right, I've trimmed a good amount at 34. All right, I already trimmed, guys, so you should be trimming too. We have runners running. That's about it. I have 5 lots running, so I sold 3. Now I'm just letting the runners do its thing, but I'll be trimming the runners little by little. So my next trim point, ideally, or my full exit is at 68.50, but it's a nice little pop. Nice trade, one and done trade. Call it a day. No need to fucking do overkill. But I do see us going a lot more higher. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but once I'm out of this, I'm gonna go call it a day, go work on my guide. But yeah, tried to go long last night. Obviously longs weren't ready last night, but my thesis was correct as far as like, oh yeah, I'm still leaning long. And yeah, we're above 68.34. We could squeeze more to 68.50. I'm gonna trim another runner soon. So I'm trimming one more runner here at 68.38. I'm down to 1 lot left, literally. And then that'll be it. Then that'll be it. Call it a day. Probably the quickest trading time I've ever had. Is market opens at 6:30. I'm already done 20 minutes into the day. I know you guys would probably want me to stay here all day and try and look for something, but honestly, I don't think the market's going to give me everything that I want to get today, at least. But I do still see more upside in the market. So I'm down to 1 runner left. I have 1 runner remaining. And there's the pump. And there's the pump. And then here is me closing the remaining size that I have all out here. And that's it. That's kind of it, chat. Kind of, I don't want to say speechless, but I'm just like, okay, what next? All right, chat. Whoa. I hope you guys caught those. I did. It's still more upside. Don't get me wrong, it's still more upside, but yeah. Yeah, I don't really know what else to fucking do now. I mean, we can look and see what the market wants to do more of, but I'm still leaning that it's gonna go up more. Yeah, but glad to know I wasn't wrong on my thesis. Again, I hope you all caught the pump. It was a nice pump. SPY calls actually look good here. Yep, still pumping. It's still pumping. Still pumping. Yeah. Let me see something. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I don't really have anything else to get for upside, honestly. Again, I hope you guys caught that pump, but that's about it. I don't really have much to trade anymore. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really still looking to see. Okay, like yes, I could still probably catch more of this. Do I? That's the real question. Is do I? Yeah, I think I'm done trading for the day unless another setup presents itself, and that's only because if we look at the 1 hour time frame, it's getting up there into that extended zone as far as like we're getting a bit oversold or overbought. Same thing with the 30-minute. The 4 hour does pose more upside, but we could pull back just a slight tad bit, and then just go from there. But yeah, I am done for today. Thank you all for showing up.